So in this video, I'll be taking you step by step and show you who unsubscribe to your YouTube channel. If you've been wondering and you search everywhere to see who just unsubscribe to your YouTube channel, on this video, I will be showing you step by step. And stay tuned, watch this video to the end because I will be teaching you 3 things on this video. How to see who unsubscribe to your YouTube channel, how to see your life counting like this, and how to stop people from subscribing to your YouTube channel. Like there was some time ago that Ada was showing who will complete her YouTube channel to make it up to 1 million subscribers. If you do not watch these videos till the end, you will miss out a lot. Welcome guys, my name is Samuel Regina. On this channel, I teach you step by step how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch to monetization, video editing tips, and lifestyle. So stay to watch this video to the end. And if you watch this video to this point and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? So guys, let's get into the tutorial. So you have to head over to your Google Chrome. So you click it to open, then click on that search bar to type youtube.studio.com. You will insert youtube.studio.com for you to see your channel, or you put in channel dashboard. So me, I have the dashboard on my Google Chrome already. I will just cancel this and click on my channel dashboard to bring out my YouTube channel. So this is me clicking on my channel dashboard. I'll wait for it to load to bring out my YouTube channel. So it will ask you to get the app, the YouTube Studio app, or you should continue to studio. Just click on that continue to the studio. It will bring out your YouTube channel. Just a side patient because of network issue. So you wait for it to fetch your YouTube channel, okay? So this is my YouTube channel. You can see it here. I will have to scroll down to see my recent subscribers. So you scroll down, you see where they put recent subscribers. You scroll down again to see that, or click on it to open. It will bring out the list of people that just subscribe to your YouTube channel. So you click on the date to change it to 7 days, 28 days, any days that you did the subscription. So if you do not see anybody's name that you did not see on this your recent subscriber that you just changed, that means the person has unsubscribed to your YouTube channel. So now we will go back to check our channel analytics, which is to see our live count. So I will scroll down to see my channel analytics. You can see, where the road has 64 channel subscriber 64. See channel analysis. I will now scroll down to see go to channel analytics. You click on that go to channel analytics. It will open like this. Then by your right hand side, you will see live count. These are the live count. This is the section. How we someone will just subscribe now so that you see. So that is, we all know that we cannot stop people from unsubscribing to our YouTube channel, most especially when you are not bringing that value to your subscribers, when you are not bringing that vital information. Maybe you make a video concerning one particular thing and they subscribe to your channel because of that thing, and you stop bringing out information or stop bringing updates about that particular thing. They will subscribe to you, or maybe they have found another person that are giving them updates and you just relax. They will unsubscribe to your YouTube channel. That's why it is very good and necessary for you to be consistent. Consistency, sometimes some of us misunderstood it. It is not all about posting videos every day or posting 3 times a day on our YouTube channel. What I mean by posting consistency is this: maybe you may be posting at least 2 or 3 times on your YouTube channel, and it will have to be on a weekly basis, okay? Every week become posting video on your channel so that the YouTube algorithm will know that yes, you are here, and your subscribers will know that yes, you bring updates, you are here. Don't post a video today and run away, okay? That's the consistency I am talking about. Post a video once in a month or once in 6 months, 3 months. You get what I'm trying to say. So I hope and believe that you've learned new things today and you imply this on your YouTube channel to grow. Okay, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and comment What do you learn from this video? What is the next topic you want me to talk about?